bago? Tanggapin si Jesus. Gawin mo siyang source of your joy. Through Him, you will discover a new identity and a deeper meaning in everything you do. Halika, magdasal tayo.